how to enable ultra dark mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you enable the ultra dark mode on your iPhone. So let's get started on this process. At first, open up the settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option display and brightness. Alright, so from this display and brightness section, tap on the option dark at the top, and after you tap on that, you'll be able to enable the dark mode from your iPhone. And after you done it, to make it more dark, you'll have to back from here, and from the settings section again, you'll have to tap on accessibility. Okay, from the section tap on display and text size. And from the display and text size, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option reduce white font. Alright, after you tap on that, you can manually reduce or increase the intensity level of bright colors. So from here, you can manually drag the intensity level of white font. So after you choose a white font, you'll have to just leave it from here, and after you choose it, you'll be able to activate a ultra dark mode on your iPhone. So these are the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.